Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Our contact number is 98367 93076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367 93076, and our email ID is soravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is written in the screen. Then you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. Like if you are appearing for CUET data science. So this is a high time to join our institute. So please feel free to contact if you have any other doubts or anything. Okay. So now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the CUET data science question paper, and the question is telling us that the following system of equations x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equals to 1, x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 sorry 3x3 is equals to 2, and x1 plus 4x2 plus alpha x3 is equals to 4 has a unique solution. So the possible values of alpha is option A is 0, option B is telling us that either 0 or 1, option C is telling us that 1 of 0, 1 and minus 1, and option 4 is telling us that any real number other than 5. Okay, so let us solve it. So this is also a very easy question. So firstly we have to write the augmented matrix here. So from this thing we will get from the given system of linear equations, we can easily take the coefficients outside. So now we can use the we can take we can use the elementary row operations to solve it. So row 2 minus row 1, then what we will get? So row 1 will remain same and we will get 0 here. That will be 1, 2 and that will be 1, and that will remain same. So after that we can take row 3 minus row 1. So then we will get 1, 1, 1 be the same, 0, 1, 2, 1 be the same, and we will get 0, 3, alpha minus 1, and we will get 3 here. Okay. So after that we can use 3 minus, or rather we can write 3 row 2. So then we will get what? 1 minus 1 and this 0, 1, 2, that is 1, and that will be 0, 0. So alpha minus 1 minus of this. So we will get alpha minus 7, and that will be 3 minus 3. So that is 0. Okay. So it has a unique solution when our alpha is 7. So then our rank of A augment is equals. So 0 is if our alpha is okay. So alpha can never be 7. So 0 can be an option here. 1 of 0 minus. So any real number other than 5 is not the correct option. The correct option should be any real number other than 7. Okay. So again, if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. So you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.